DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. We got another Instagram follower that decided to bring in his beautiful Mercedes AMG S63 in the house, you guys. And so he went with our full frontal 10-year paint protection film. This is called the high impact areas, your hood, front bumper, and side fenders. And so we placed our clear film on top of it. So therefore, we're going to keep this paint looking amazing. And for 10 full years, you guys. So paint protection film will absorb all the abuse so that the paint doesn't have to. We're talking about all those nasty, tiny rock chips that you get all over the front end, those bug gut stains, scratches, things of that nature. Anybody that has a vehicle that's about 4 years old, just take a look at your front bumper and I guarantee you have a rock chip damage. But our smart Instagram follower was not going to allow that to happen to his beautiful Mercedes. So he did the right thing and he protected it with our 10-year paint protection film. Now, it's an actual clear film that we placed on top of the vehicle. But if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know. And that's why he brought it here to DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. Check that out, you guys. So again, for 10 full years, his vehicle is going to stay looking amazing. And you should want your vehicle to stay looking amazing too. So feel free to give us a call here at DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. Our number once again, 510-472-4181. Thanks for watching, you guys, and have an incredible day.